As we arrive at this final chapter of our journey through the discipline of project management, we are not reaching an end, but rather a significant and exciting new beginning. Throughout our studies, we have meticulously explored the foundational pillars of this field: the intricate logic of planning, the uncompromising rigor of control systems, and the nuanced art of human leadership. These principles are timeless, forming the bedrock upon which all successful projects are built, regardless of their scale, industry, or complexity. However, the world in which we apply these principles is undergoing a radical transformation. We now stand at a critical junction, a confluence where enduring wisdom meets the powerful, ever-evolving digital ecosystem. This chapter is designed to bridge that gap. The objective is to equip you, the next generation of project leaders, with the knowledge to design a modern project information system, choose the right tools, and future-proof your skills. Why this matters now. Work has shifted from linear, co-located execution to distributed, multidisciplinary value streams. Schedules, budgets, and scope still matter, but so do flow, capacity, risk resilience, and benefits realized. A simple North Star guides us. Deliver valuable outcomes predictably, ethically, and sustainably by building a single source of truth, creating friction-low collaboration, automating the busy work, managing portfolios for value, and treating ESG as a first-class constraint. A project information system is a socio-technical stack of people, processes, data, and tools that captures intentions, connects plans, coordinates execution, and communicates outcomes. Think of it as having 5 architectural layers. At the bottom is the core data model. Above that, the collaboration fabric. Then the analytics layer to make sense of the data. The automation and AI layer acts as the engine. And finally, the governance layer provides security and control. A PIS doesn't live in a vacuum. It integrates using APIs for real-time sync, ETL processes for reporting, and event buses for notifications to tools like Teams or Slack. To be effective, the PIS must have data quality guardrails. Automate rules like no task without an owner and finish date, or no risk without a response plan to ensure the data is complete and consistent. Organizations can operate their PIS in 3 ways: centralized for strong standards, federated for domain autonomy, or a hybrid model, which balances a common platform with custom domain apps. For a small team, a minimum viable PIS might just be a work hub like Asana and a document store. But as you scale to a program or portfolio, you must add resource planning, risk registers, and a portfolio BI dashboard. A good PIS is defined by several core principles. It must be a single source of truth with an intuitive user experience. It needs scalability and performance to grow with you. Collaboration must be deeply embedded, and security and compliance are non-negotiable. Furthermore, it must ensure data quality and traceability. It should be automation first and AI ready. It must be designed for accessibility and inclusivity. And finally, it should provide cost transparency so you understand the total cost of ownership. When selecting a tool, use these principles to create a weighted selection matrix. Score each candidate tool, but don't just rely on demos. Run a pilot with a real project. A typical adoption plan takes about 4 weeks. Start by setting up templates and migrating one project. Then train champions and integrate key tools. Finally, switch all status reporting to the new system and sunset the old trackers. Computer-based project management, or CBPM, is the disciplined use of software to plan, schedule, resource track, and control projects across predictive, agile, and hybrid life cycles. Its capability set is vast. It includes detailed planning and scheduling with critical path analysis, sophisticated resourcing with capacity planning and leveling, detailed costing with time-phased budgets, and rigorous controls using baselines and earned value management. For modern teams, it supports agile and flow with backlogs and Kanban boards. It enables robust risk management with qualitative and quantitative analysis. And increasingly, it features AI copilot patterns to draft artifacts and summarize updates. A good CBPM system provides a control room with metrics that matter. For schedule, you track SPI. For cost, CPI. For flow, wipe, and lead time. You monitor risk exposure and track staffing versus capacity. A 30, 60, 90-day adoption plan is a great way to roll out these capabilities. In the first 30 days, establish data standards and set up a dashboard. In the next 30, enable resource planning and EVM. And by day 90, integrate with finance and add predictive alerts. Finally, avoid common anti-patterns. Manually enter dates using spreadsheets as the master record, and most importantly, never running a project without a saved baseline. Microsoft's Project Management Suite is a deeply integrated ecosystem. It spans Planner for team tasks, Project for modern scheduling, with Teams, SharePoint, and the Power Platform providing collaboration, reporting, and automation. Knowing when to use what is key. Use Planner for lightweight team tasks. Use Project for the web for departmental projects needing schedules and dependencies. Use Project Desktop or online for complex enterprise-scale projects requiring rigorous control. To build a robust schedule in Project, follow these steps. First, structure your WBS. Second, set project and resource calendars before assigning work. Third, link tasks with logic. Avoid hard date constraints. Fourth, enter durations, then assign resources and level any over-allocations. Finally, and most critically, freeze baseline 0 before execution starts. During execution, update progress weekly with % complete and remaining duration. Then turn on the EVM fields to monitor your CPI and SPI and forecast your estimate at completion. Accelerate your system with the Power Platform. Use Power Automate to nudge owners of overdue risks. Use Power Apps to build a mobile intake form. And use Power BI to create powerful portfolio dashboards with resource heat maps and milestone slip analysis. Enterprise-wide project management, or PPM, is the coordinated selection, prioritization, resourcing, and governance across a portfolio of projects and products. Governance is often managed with a portfolio Kanban to visualize the flow of new initiatives, combined with a stage gate process where projects must pass formal reviews with specific exit criteria to proceed. Prioritization is key. Methods include weighted shortest job first, or WSJF, which balances value against effort, strategic buckets, which pre-allocate capacity to themes, and AHP for complex multi-criteria decisions. This strategic focus drives the evolution of the PMO or Project Management Office from policing compliance to enabling value as a Value Management Office or VMO. A VMO runs a portfolio playbook. They standardize intake, run monthly portfolio syncs with heat maps and risk indexes, refresh strategy quarterly, and crucially, have a process to retire low-value work to free up capacity. Maturity grows in stages, from simply tracking projects, to creating portfolio dashboards, to capacity-driven planning, and finally, to a state of continuous portfolio flow based on value stream funding. While the PPM system is the master schedule, spreadsheets are ideal for detailed financial modeling and scenario analysis. The key is to use the spreadsheet as the calculator, not the system of record. A well-structured model separates inputs, calculations, and outputs. All assumptions go on the inputs sheet. All formulas go on the calculation sheet and refer only to the inputs. The outputs sheet presents the final results and charts for decision makers. Master the essential formulas like NPV and IRR. Use data tables for sensitivity analysis. Goal. Seek to solve for a target and the powerful solver add-in to optimize decisions like capital rationing. Avoid common pitfalls. Store the master file in SharePoint, not email, to prevent version chaos. Use error checking to find broken links. And never ever hard-code numbers inside your formulas. The future of project management is about human judgment augmented by AI. Key trajectories include AI copilots everywhere, digital twins for simulation, and sustainability as a first-class constraint, with carbon budgets treated just like cost budgets. As automation handles the technical work, power skills become the key differentiator. Strategic thinking, negotiation, sense-making, and storytelling are the skills that cannot be automated. Your career trajectory will depend on continuous upskilling. In your first year, aim to master your PIS, learn Power BI and EVM, pilot a low-code automation, and begin implementing portfolio scoring and benefits tracking. Your challenge and your opportunity is to master this dual literacy, to be both a skilled systems architect and a master of human dynamics. The journey is just beginning, and the future of this discipline is now in your capable hands.